Wow, I almost forgot that it's time to do my May Glam bag options. Ooh, that was a bit close. Don't want to be in a position where I have to rely on Ipsy to make my choice for me. That would never be a good thing. Anyway, hi everybody, good afternoon or good evening in my case. It's time to make my glam bag choices for the month of May. So I have two accounts, so I've got two glam bags. One in my beauty profile, which is a middle-aged black woman, deep dark skin tone, who loves makeup, natural hair, greying, unfortunately, but yes, greying. And then the second account is in my daughter's beauty profile. So she's much younger, in her early 20s. She likes a little bit of makeup, but she's more into keeping it cool, keeping it natural, keeping it clean. I hate that term. So minimal makeup, more skincare, body care, and that sort of thing, really. So let's see what Ipsy have got for our choices this month. So let's do the first bag. All right, what do we got? So first thing is Ava NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Hair Primer. Then we've got Half Kate Eye and Cheek Palette. Those don't look like colours that are going to work for me. Let's have a quick look. So we've got a blush in a sort of palish raspberry, and they look like just neutral eyeshadows. Not very exciting, is it? All right, let's carry on, see what else there is. Then we've got Police Beauty HAPHA Flash Facial Exfoliating Mask. Whole Ola Neon Trace Me Lip Liner. Okay, let's see what colour they've got that in. Peachy brown. No, that's not going to be good enough for me. The only lip liners I'm interested in are a dark brown or a dark burgundy. Nothing else. Then what else? We've got Korres Mini Pure Greek Olive Shower Gel. I've tried that shower gel before. It's nice enough. Manakadar Cosmetics. They still exist. I thought that was a brand that had disappeared completely. Happy Face Mist. I'm not too fussed about Happy Face Mist or face mist of any sort. We've got the blemish patches, don't need that. And then we've got Seraphine Botanicals Marshmallow Blush. Gosh, I'm not impressed with any of these at all. Nothing. Right, I think in this choice, I'm either going to go for the Police Beauty or the Korres Shower Gel. I think I'm going to go for the exfoliating mask. Yeah, we'll go for the exfoliating mask for that one. Confirm selection. All right, let's do my next account. Right, here we go. So we're in the second account now. So actually, I'm looking at the eyeshadow palette for this one. The colours are different on this one, aren't they? See, with this one, it's got a better colour. It's got that nice dark brown colour, but that peach colour is too pale. Oh dear. They got that one wrong. That dark colour should have been in the other palette. Okay. So I'm thinking that this bag is my daughter's choice. Let's have a look. All right. So the other choices are exactly the same. So for this one, I'm going to pick the Korres Mini Pure Greek Olive Shower Gel. How much do you get in it? Do they say how big it is? They don't really say, do they? 40 mils. It's not a lot, but I'm still going to choose that. So I'm going to choose that. Okay, and there we go. Those are my choices for the month of May. Wonderful. All right, guys, that's it. I have actually received my April boxes and bags now. So I will start doing those tomorrow. So tomorrow is Wednesday, the 23rd of April. So I will start doing my Ipsy glam bags. I'll do that tomorrow evening. So that video should be up by tomorrow.